I am Ayeshah Alam Khan. Now, this is my second season, but it really is actually season 5 for the show. And thanks to all of you, we've made it this far. And tonight's episode, well, it's a little bit different. Yes, it's an Eid show and we're celebrating Eid, but our guests are a little bit different from the ones we usually have. He is a dashing young man who's a terror in the newsroom, and she is known as a hawk across the border. I have to say, he was a little bit difficult to get research on. We researched websites, most websites said he was 46 years old. So I was like, wow, just in 46 years, he's made such a name for himself. One website said he was 42. I'm not quite sure which way that's going to go. We'll find out when we meet our guests. Who are they? Stay tuned.